Have you ever tried to hold in a sneeze? Thinking it's just a small reaction, and nothing bad could really happen? It might feel harmless in the moment, but your body is actually building up a lot of pressure, faster than you realize. When you block a sneeze, that pressure has nowhere to escape, so it stays trapped inside your head. Instead of releasing outward like it should, it moves inward, toward areas that are much more sensitive. That sudden pressure spike can put stress on parts of your body that aren't meant to handle it. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, don't try to stop it, because your body is trying to protect you in its own way.